Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. I love music, I love music theory, and I love sharing the joy of learning music theory. If you become more knowledgeable about music, you will become a better performer. The more you understand the music you play, of course, you will play better as a result of that. And also, you will become a more informed listener when you enjoy listening to the music that you love. The ABRSM Discovering Music Theory grades are an excellent progression of study, working from grade 1, where you build a foundation of the knowledge of music theory, and as you progress through the grades, you will accumulatively build your knowledge, building upon a foundation of study and gradually learning more and more about the subject of music. On my Patreon channel, I work with you step by step, note by note through every single exercise, just as if I was sitting right next to you. I explain all of the principles that you need to understand as you progressively build up your knowledge working through the ABRSM Music Theory grades. If you visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill, you'll find everything you need to know right there. Many students from all over the world have achieved success by following through my lessons. Many have achieved success to even distinction, some even scoring 100% in their ABRSM Music Theory exams. As a Tier 1 patron, you will have access to all of the lessons that you need to work through ABRSM grades 1, 2 and 3. As a Tier 2 patron, you will gain access to lessons to help you to study through ABRSM grades 4 and 5, and Tier 3 patrons gain access to advanced level music theory lessons starting at grade 6. Lessons on my Patreon channel have covered everything that you need to know to work through all of the ABRSM grades 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 Discovering Music Theory workbooks, and in the near future I shall be returning to complete the past papers that are available for these grades also. At present I have over 36 lessons for grade 6 music theory study, and more lessons are being added to this weekly. After this, once grade 6 is completed, I will then move on to grade 8, which is a natural progression straight on from grade 6. And then once grade 8 workbook is completed, I will then go back and continue with grade 7 ABRSM Music Theory workbook. I love music theory. I love sharing the joy of learning music theory. So get those pencils sharpened and let's get studying. Visit patreon.com/Sharon Bill and you'll find everything there to help you on your learning journey. Enjoy your studies.